calculate the value of 0.0042 square. Now, solution. To find the solution to this problem, we have a 0.0042 square. The first thing is that we need to express 0.0042 as a fraction. This is equal to what? Now, the single number we have there, we have 4 and 2. So, it will come to the numerator, divided by what? Everything square. 4, 2. We'll put the numbers at the numerator. Now, what's the next thing to do? How do we determine the powers of tens at the denominator? We write 1 first. Then, what do we have here? After decimal point, how many numbers are we having? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have how many numbers? 4 numbers. So what are we going to write? We have 0, 0, 0, 0. So can you see that? We have 4 numbers after decimal point. So we are going to have 4 zeros. So it means that 42 divided by 10,000 is the same thing as 0.0042. So we'll put square here, don't forget. Now, we are going to look at the squares of numerator and what? And the denominator. 42 square divided by what? Denominator. 10,000 square. Now, this is the same thing as what? 42 times 42. And this is the same thing as what? 10,000 times 10,000. Now, we are going to look at the multiplication of 42 and 42. Now, what do we do? 42 times 42. 42 times 42. What are we going to have? We are going to multiply. Now, 2 times 2 from the back. We have 4. Then, this same 2 times 4. What do we have? 8. Now, we have used these 2. The next number to use now is 4. So, 4 times 2, what do we have? 8. 4 times 4, 16. Then what do we do? We add. We are going to add from the back. What do we have? 4. Then the next line, 8 plus 8, 16. We write 6 and carry what? 1. Now, 1 plus 6, 7. Now, what do we have? We have 1 here. So, it means that 42 times 42 is the same thing as what? 1,764. And this represents the value for the what? Numerator. For the denominator, we just need to count the number of zeros. We have 4 zeros here. We have 4 zeros here. 4 zeros plus 4 zeros. We have 8 zeros all together. So what do we have? We have 1. We write 8 zeros. Now we have 8 zeros at the denominator after 1. So we are going to do equivalent. Now, the first one, the first number be marked, second number to this, marked, third number, marked, fourth numbers, marked. Can you see? Now, what do we now have? How many zeros are we having here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what do we have? We have 0.0000. Then what do we have left? 1764. That is the solution to the problem.